We're here waiting for the start of Mini Bike Winter.
Hey, that's right. Fucking Mini. You guys racing on his knees?
He's got the miniest mini around.
So tiny. So very tiny. He does not even have a bicycle. I don't know what's craziest. These pants are magical.
On your left. On your right. Here's a car. There's a car coming. Car!
The bet is to see you.
He says he coming.
This your car? Well, we don't think so. This your club? Well, you just messed up.
Check it out, baby.
Oh yeah, be on board.
Never ride alone.
How'd it feel tonight?
It was scary. Very scary. There's still gravel all over the road. It's fucking just getting too close to the curb.
But good training for Mini Bike Winter, you feel?
Yes. The
Awesome.
competition is going down. Yeah.
Mini Bike Winter is about keeping your cool. I mean, it's not about the training. It's not about like how fast you can ultimately go. It's about keeping your cool and reacting to a dynamic something.
To learn more, you better be in Portland, February 15th through the 19th. Perhaps you'll stay alive long enough to tell a tale as well.